third last in front of One Short. 2 lengths behind them, the roughie Della Vedova. Nearing the corner, 450 to go. Dainty Test softened up by the Celt Code Violation. 3 deep working. Nearly 3 abreast at the top of the home running. 1.5 away behind those searching for the way clear. A roaring trade. Down the outside, One Short from Spangled Impact, then Della Vedova. 250 to go. Dainty Test, the Celt together. They've broken away. It's on the inside. Dainty Test responding from the Celt. Down inside the 100. Dainty Test fighting. The Celt can't do any better. Dainty Test, the Celt, and Dainty Test clings on. Dainty Test won it narrowly.
Really impressive performance again by Dainty Test, and Vince, she just continues to show her toughness.
Yeah, she fights like a tiger, mate. She's a little professional. Push button to ride, and Jordan used his initiative and kicked up and led all the way. It was great.
It doesn't matter what race she's in or who she's against. She just seems to be able to go to that level, whatever they're requiring.
Yeah, exactly right, Adam. She's, as I said, she's a great professional, and she's easy to train. She's push button, and she's an absolute professional.
Again, we saw the speed that she can show from the gate. Do you think she's better being out in front, or do you prefer her when she does take a sit?
Either. I mean, if there's no genuine speed, she can lead, or if there's a bit of speed in the race, she can sit, and she's push button to ride. So yeah, she's either.
We've seen William Pike have a lot of success with her. Jordan Turner's now jumped on the last 2 rides, and he's done exactly what's been asked.
Yeah, he's done a good job, Jordan. He's up to ride this little filly, so he's not a bad judge.
What's the movement moving forward for her? Has she still got a few runs this prep, or will you be looking at giving her a rest soon?
We'll have a look at the program. There's probably go out for a bit of a freshen up, I'd say, but Dan's away, so I'm sure when he gets back, he'll have a look at it.
Now, looking through the card, I'm wondering if we're going to be speaking to you a little bit more. You've got Dendy in the next, which I know you're a fan of, and then you've got Red Aura in the big one today. What are you expecting from both?
Well, I thought Red Aura was our best of the day, so hopefully I can speak to her a bit more often, so we'll see how we go.
Look forward to it. Congratulations.
Thanks, Adam.
Jordan Turner, and Jordan, another nice performance by Dainty Test, and I guess you're really starting to feel how tough this filly is as well.
Yeah, she really proved herself today. You know, that all Sid hit her pretty early, and she still had that bit in the tank to fight him off.
Did she go to that next level compared to when you rode her last start?
Yeah, I think so. When I led, I was pretty surprised. I didn't think I'd probably lead, but she seemed to fight pretty well coming to the end of the race. So.
Even though she jumped well and found that front, she did seem to settle nicely for you as well.
Yeah, she settled real good considering the pressure she had on her. You know, she switched off, and when you ask her to go, she gives her 100%.
Well done, mate. Congratulations.
Thank you.